This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the U.S. economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week and what it means for your wallet. Today is March 12th, and one of the biggest financial topics right now is stock market today. Investors across the United States are closely watching Wall Street as markets react to changing economic signals and shifting expectations. The stock market today discussion is trending because markets have been moving as investors evaluate new economic data and financial outlooks. Even small signals about inflation, interest rates, or corporate earnings can influence how investors position their money. Financial markets constantly try to anticipate where the economy is headed. When expectations change, whether it's about inflation cooling, interest rates staying higher, or economic growth slowing, markets often react quickly. Behind the headlines, the real trend is about investor sentiment and uncertainty. Markets move not just based on current data, but on expectations about the future. Traders and institutions adjust their strategies as new economic information becomes available, which can create noticeable volatility throughout the trading day. For everyday households, the stock market today story has real financial implications. Millions of Americans have retirement accounts, pension funds, or investment portfolios tied to the stock market. When markets rise or fall, the value of those savings can change as well. Market performance can also influence broader economic confidence. When markets appear stable and optimistic, businesses often feel more comfortable investing, expanding operations, and hiring workers. But when volatility increases, companies sometimes become more cautious with spending and future planning. That ripple effect can eventually influence wages, hiring decisions, and the overall pace of economic activity. Looking ahead, investors will likely continue watching economic indicators closely. Inflation data, job market signals, and commentary from policymakers often shape how the stock market today develops in the coming days. For now, Wall Street remains focused on interpreting the latest signals about the U.S. economy and adjusting expectations for the months ahead. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with the updates that matter. Until then, stay informed and protect your wallet.